15 points in Google Docs. Detail in the description for 15 points. 1. Open Google Docs. First, you need complete the Google account. Next, click on Apps button. And scroll down and click Open Docs app. Next, you will see default of Google Docs. And here is template that allow you choose any form. And this place is keeping your entire document you created. So here I click blank document. 2. Save file name. You just click on this box. And enter your name. After click leave from box. And name saved auto. In this place we call page that allow you write and insert picture. So, if you want to zoom in or out you can click button. And choose size for view. 3. Edit text. This is my document and I will show you some tools to edit text. First, edit title of text. Now I want to make the text bold. First, select the text. And click bold button. OK, ready, adjusted on text. After, make the text center. First, you just select the text. Click on this button and choose center. OK, the outcome moved text to center. Next, change font size. First, select the text. Click font size button. And choose size. OK, ready, done. And after, make the underline. If you want to make text as underline, you just select text. And click underline button. You see the result, all the text selected has the underline. Next, change font color. First, select the text that you want to preset. And click this button and change color. And the last point highlights text color. First, select the text that you want to preset. Click on this button. And choose color. 4. How to copy and paste in the Google Docs. In this document I want to copy from the first page to second page. Typically, if you need to copy you just select the text and click edit and choose copy button. After I scroll down, click on second page and click on edit and choose paste button to show text on page. Step 2, I scroll up and right-click on picture and choose copy. After I go to second page, if I paste I just put mouse on second page. Right-click and select option paste. OK, the result ready show. Step 3, you can use the shortcut key to make a copy and paste. Now I select the text here. After, I press key Ctrl+C for copy. And next I scroll to second page and I want to show here. I just press key Ctrl+V. OK, the outcome ready display on page. Now copy and paste ready show. 5. How to insert page in Google Docs. If you need to add more pages you just do with this example. First, click on page. Next, click on insert. Click break. And click page break. OK, the result we got a one more page. Next, how to remove page. Click on page that you want to remove. And press key backspace 1 or 2 times. And the page will remove. OK, with insert page I showed you ready. 6. How to insert picture in Google Docs. If you want to insert picture I open Google Chrome. And type name of picture and search in box. Next click image button. Click choose picture. And right-click on picture. And choose copy image. Now we back to file docs. If you want to show you just right-click on page. and click Past. You can resize, just click this place and resize. On the other hand, if you make the picture on text, you just click on Picture and choose any of the wrap text option. Now I choose front of text because I want this picture at the top of text. With the step 6 done. 7. How to insert table in Google Docs. In this document I have an example with create the table. Okay, if you want to create the table you need to count rows and columns of this table. Next, click Insert and choose Table. After, select rows and column of table. Now, table showed on page. Next, I enter the text header. And I need the text to center. So, I just select cells and click Center button. And then I fill the color of header cells. After, I need to merge cell. I just select the 3 cells. And right-click and choose Merge Cells. Next, write the text and make to right align. Anyway, you can hold and left-click on line to pull to resize of the table. And if you need to insert rows you can select amount of rows. And right-click. And choose amount of rows when you selected to insert more rows. And if you need to delete rows you can select amount of rows. And right-click. And choose delete rows. And the last one, if you need to delete table. You can select all cells. Right-click and click delete table. Okay, table had deleted from page. 8. How to set bullet and numbering in the Google Docs. This is an example. First you need to write the texts. Select the first line and click numbering. Next, select 2 line of text and click bullet. But the result isn't the same example. So, you need to click increase indent that to make the text the same example. And here again select the text. And click numbering. But you know that number this line not show number 2. Okay, you can right-click on number. And choose continue previous. Now, is ready showed. After, there points I need to set bullet continue. So, I just select the text, and click bullet. And don't forget click increase indent to make the line of text equal the example. If you want to change the style of bullet you just click on sign of the bullet. And right-click. And after choose sign style. Now, with preset bullet and numbering is done. 9. How to set watermark in the Google Docs. We set the watermark because we don't want to other people copy your document. Okay, if you want to set, first, click on Insert menu, and after click on Watermark. Next click on Text button. After, click on box and right display the word on page. You can click on this place to change font styles. And if you want to resize, click on this, please. And you can change the line of text diagonal or horizontal style. And finish click done. Okay, the result the watermark is release in page. Now, with set the watermark is done. 10. How to set header in Google Docs. We want to set the header because we need the title of page and save time if we preset only one page and then all of pages are displayed at the top page. First, you click on Insert. After, click on Header button. Next, write the title of the header that you want to release. And if you want to change color of text, you just select the text and click on this button to change color. Now, I need the line under of header text. So, we click on Insert and click on Horizontal Line. And result the line showed under of text. If you want to make the text equal space, you just press space key to make equal line here. And then click on Page to leave from header. Okay, check the result, all the page had the header. How to set footer in the Google Docs. Why do we need to display footer on page? Because we want to show the number of page. Now, I remove footer of page. So, I need to show number of page. First, click Insert. And click Header and Footer button. Click Option and choose Page Numbers. And click Apply. After, I want to show the page before the number of page. Next, I need the line above the number. I just click in Insert. And click Horizontal Line. Okay, now the number all pages ready showed. Page setup in the Google Docs. In the page setup you can change page to landscape or portrait or choose the size of paper. Now, if you want to preset page you just click File. And click Page Setup. If you click to show on this button your page will change to landscape. And this button you can choose size of page A3 or A4. Now I set A4 paper. And about the margin we set because we want to adjust top, left, right or bottom space of page. Next, if we want to change color of page we click this button and choose color of page. If ready click on OK. 13. Make copy file. If we want to get a new file. So, we just click on File and click Make Copy button. You can remove the name in box and enter new name. And file is keeping in Drive. After, click on Make a Copy. Now, we got a new file like this example. Next I edit this new file. And you can check old file and text doesn't change. Okay, with Make Copy file done. 14. How to download file. If you want to download file docs to Ms. Word, first, click on File. After click on Download, and click choose which type that you need to download. Now I click to download for Microsoft Word file. After click on this button to check file download. Okay, this is a file at the moment. I click to open and view. Now, download file is done. 15. Share file to other people. When you want to other people edit your file, really you do like this sharing. First, click on Share this button. And after will show a small dialog box. In this box insert someone email to send those people. After, turn on Edit File. Next you can write the message to express your meaning that you want to send to edit your file. Ready, click on Send button. Okay, 15 points already shown. Thank you for lovingly sharing.